book exercise. In today class, we will start question answers. Clear? This is your PDF file. In the last class, we have completed till match the columns, column A with column B. Okay? From today onwards, we will start this very short answer type questions. So start from here. First question, it is used to connect a web page to other resources. Answer is hyperlink. Answer is hyperlink. Everyone mark or write this answer in your book. Written. Show me your response. Very good. Very good. Good. Now, next, it specifies the document that needs to be displayed. Answer is HREF. Answer is HREF. Sriya Jindal, very good. The answer is HREF. Hyper reference. Third is, it is used to display the contents on web page where the frames are not supported by browser. Answer is no frame. Very good. No frame. Answer is no frame. Write down this answer. Very good. Next, it is responsible to change the color of hyperlink from standard color blue. Answer is link attribute. Very good. Kamakshi, Dipali, Ria. Very good. Link attribute is the answer. Very good. Now, short answer type questions. Question number first. Explain floating frames with example. You have to open page number 118. I have written here page number 118. You have to open this page. Page number 118. This is your page number 118. From here, floating frames, यहाँ से लिखना, floating frames are like images that exist on web pages. The iframe tag is used to place the floating frames on the web page. Till here, you have to write this much. Floating frames are like images that exist on web page. The iframe tag is used to place the floating frame on the web page. This much you have to write for the answer of this question. And then question is says that write example also. Explain floating frame with example. See this question says that write the example also So you have to write example of this. Example of floating frame. This is the example. This example you have to write. Clear? Next question. What is hyperlink? What is hyperlink? Page number 119. Page number 119. Question is, what is hyperlink? Either you have to write from here. Hyperlinks are used to connect web page with other web pages. It can link document, image, text, video, audio, etc. Or hyperlink ties web pages or across different website till now. Or you can write this answer from here also. Hyperlink. From the, let us recall, hyperlink. Hyperlinks are used to connect a web page to other resources such as images, pictures, sound, video. The two answers are given in your book in the same chapter. So either you have to write from here hyperlink. This is the shorter example. So you have to write this one. Hyperlink are. No need to write these. No need to write these. Directly you have to write hyperlink are used to connect a web page to other resources such as images, pictures, sound, videos, etc. This much you have to write. Next is next question. What is the function of anchor tag? Page number 119. Page number 119. What is the function of anchor tag? 19. This one. एंकर टैग्स फंक्शन क्या होता है? मतलब फंक्शन मींस इट्स वर्किंग. ठीक है, फंक्शनिंग मींस उसका काम. एंकर टैग का काम क्या होता है? ठीक है, एंकर टैग you have to write from here. Anchor tags are used to create a hyperlink. Anchor tag are used to create hyperlink that consist of the following. अब उसमें क्या क्या होता है? First, hyperlinked text oblique image. उसमें hyperlinked text और image होती है. The target resource on which hyperlinked text image can point. क्लियर? उसमें एक टारगेट रिसोर्स होता है जहां जिसमें आपको क्या करना होता है, ऑन विच हाइपरलिंक टेक्स्ट जिसमें जाना होता है. ठीक है, देन एक चीज लिखे है यूआरएल. यूआरएल स्टैंड फॉर यूनिवर्सल रिसोर्स लोकेटर. क्लियर? तो मींस यू हैव टू राइट कंप्लीट पाथ ऑफ द साइट और ऑफ द पेज. ठीक है, इट रेफर्स टू द एड्रेस ऑफ वेबसाइट. एंड देन लास्ट इज href is responsible for creating link. This much. So these many points you have to write for this question. These many points you have to write for this question. Answer 3. What is question 3? What is the function of anchor tag? Means anchor tag के फंक्शन क्या होते हैं, एंकर टैग क्यों यूज करते हैं हम? तो एंकर टैग्स are used to create a hyperlink that consists of the following. First point, hyperlinked text oblique image. Second point, the target resource on which the hyperlinked text image can point. Third, URL stands for Universal Resource Locator. It refers to the address of website. And last is href, that is responsible for creating links. Next question is, what do you mean by no frame? Question is, what do you mean by no frame? Page number 121. That is, let us recall no frames. No frames is used to display the content of web page when the frames are not supported by browser. This much is the answer. No frames is used to display the contents on web page when the frames are not supported by browser. Now short answer type questions are over. First, long answer type question. First question. Explain frame tag with all its attributes. Here attributes means its properties. मतलब फ्रेम टैग को एक्सप्लेन करना है, साथ में उसकी प्रॉपर्टी भी बतानी है. तो फ्रेम टैग्स विद ऑल इट्स एट्रीब्यूट्स, पेज नंबर 115. ओपन पेज नंबर 115. Look this. First question is explain frames. पहले आपको frames explain करना है. तो the entire window can divide it into many parts so that multiple window can be displayed at a time of single web page. This can be done with the help of frames. ठीक है? So each part of the window is called frames. So this is the explanation of frames. जो आपकी मेन ब्राउजर होता है, उस ब्राउजर को आपने क्या करना है, मल्टीपल विंडोज में डिवाइड करना है. उसमें जो हर एक विंडो डिवाइड हो रही है, सिंगल पेज बन के आ रहा है, वो क्या है, आपका फ्रेम्स है. आपका क्या है, फ्रेम्स है. देन व्हाट आर द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ दिस. क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ फ्रेम टैग. Attributes of frame tag is SRC. Attribute of the frame tag is SRC. Question is like this. Explain frame tag with all its attributes. So here in your book, only one attribute is given, that is called SRC. Look this. Frame tag has attribute SRC. SRC stand for source of the page which you want to open. Clear? So you have to write after this, the attribute of frame tag, the attribute of frame tag is SRC. Attribute of frame tag is SRC. Full stop. It is used, इसमें लिखो उसके आगे, it is used to take the source of single web page. It is used to take the source of single web page. Now, Dipali, what you want to say? Dipali Singh is saying something. This can be done with the help of frames. This we have to write. Which one? Dipali, you write your complete statement. You have written only this can be done. This means which one this? This answer. Sorry. Where? Yes, in frame topic it is written. Look this. Look again. I think this girl Dipali is confused. Dipali, look again. Question is, listen. First of all, you read this question again. Explain frame tag. हमें फ्रेम को एक्सप्लेन करना है. ठीक है, फ्रेम टैग को एक्सप्लेन करना है विद ऑल इट्स एट्रीब्यूट. पहले हमें फ्रेम तो एक्सप्लेन करना है, साथ में उसके एट्रीब्यूट भी एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. क्लियर? तो the answer of this question is written in page number 121 also. And let us recall, look this. Frame. Frames means the entire window is divided into many parts. Entire window ka means hai like a web browser. So this is a web browser. This one is a web browser. If we divide this web browser into multiple parts, यही तो कह रहा है कि हम यदि इस ब्राउजर को, इस स्क्रीन को मैनी पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, तो ऑन ईच पार्ट यू कैन डिस्प्ले अ विंडो. हर एक पार्ट में आपको एक पेज डिस्प्ले करना पड़ता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रेम सेट. लाइक आपने हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्रेम सेट पढ़ा था, आपने वर्टिकल फ्रेम सेट पढ़ा था, उनके थ्रू हम क्या कर रहे थे, उसमें पेज लगा रहे थे, सिंगल पेज लगा रहे थे. तो दीज पार्ट्स आर कॉल्ड फ्रेम्स. तो वो सिंगल पार्ट जो आएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेम्स. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. आइदर यू हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम हियर or you have to write from beginning of the chapter. This one same thing is written here. The entire window can be divided into many parts so that multiple window can be displayed at the time on a single page. ठीक है? After that this line you have to add this can be done with the help of frames. हम frame के थ्रू हम इसे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो सिंगल पार्ट है विंडो का उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रेम बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ फ्रेम. Now the question is with all its attributes. अब attribute भी आपको explain करने हैं. So for this you come here. Look, frame is a tag with this there src. Src is an attribute of this tag and a.html is a value. तो src क्या है हमारा? src हमारा क्या है? एट्रीब्यूट है. ठीक है, तो एट्रीब्यूट लिख देना हमने src. क्वेश्चन लिखना है ना, उसके बाद लिखना है द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ फ्रेम टैग इज एसआरसी. देन फिर डिफाइन करना है एसआरसी को, जो मैंने डेफिनेशन बता दिया आपको. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, explain the attributes of frame set tag. This time you have to explain only attributes of frame set tag. ठीक है, हमें फ्रेम सेट को एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना इस बार हमें फ्रेम सेट टैग के एट्रीब्यूट्स एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. तो कम हियर अगेन, पेज नंबर 115. Following are the attributes of frame set tag. In this, you have to write first heading vertical frame set, second heading horizontal frame set, and third heading nested frame set. These three comes under frame set. After that, you have to write heading vertical frame set. You have to write heading vertical frame set. We create, in this you have to write, we create vertical frame set with the help of calls attribute. With the help of calls attribute, we create vertical frame set with the help of calls attribute. Then next heading, horizontal frame set. We create horizontal frame set with the help of rows attribute. Okay, Shreya, again you have to write vertical frame set heading. In this you have to write, we create vertical frame set with the help of calls attribute, COLS, calls attribute. Similarly, in horizontal frame set, you have to write, we create horizontal frame set with the help of rows attribute. With the help of rows attributes. And third one, nested frame set. Is a combination of, in this you have to write, if we insert one frame within other frame is called nested frame. बस ठीक है. If we insert one frame within other frame is called nested frame, and nested frame set is also known as mixed frame set. These two lines you have to write. Means in this frame set we have to use both rows as well as columns. इस वाले में हमें दोनों यूज करने पड़ेंगे. rows is for horizontal frame set, calls is for vertical frame set. So means when we mix both, so that is called mixed frame set or nested frame set. Both are same. Nested frame set is used to insert one frame within the other frame is called nested frame. Nested frame set is also known as mixed frame set. Or you can write full stop के बाद, it is also known as mixed frame set because nested frame set is written already. ठीक है. So you have to write, it is also known as mixed frame set. Next question, how would you change the color of link? How would you change the color of link? Page number 121. Heading, change colors for the link. We can change the color. We can change the color of links of links by using the following attribute. By using the following attribute. First, link in bracket standard link. It is responsible to change the color of hyperlink from standard color blue to any other color. Similarly, second point, visited link means V-link. After visiting any hyperlink, color change to standard color purple. And third is active link. Before visiting a hyperlink, just place your mouse over, then its standard color is red. Link, it is responsible to change the color of hyperlink from standard color blue to any other color. V-link means visited link. After visiting any hyperlink, its color changes to standard color purple. Then A-link, before visiting a hyperlink, just place the mouse, then its standard color red. Next question, what does the anchor tag use for? You know very well why we use anchor tag, and explain its attribute. 119 page. Look this. What is the function of anchor tag and what does anchor tag use for? Both the questions are almost same. Both the questions are almost same कि anchor tag क्यों use करते हैं और उसके attributes क्या हैं. Page number 119. Look this. Anchor tags are used to create hyperlink. पहला क्वेश्चन था कि हम एंकर टैग का यूज क्यों करते हैं, तो एंकर टैग्स आर यूज्ड टू क्रिएट हाइपरलिंक. दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ एंकर टैग. एक्सप्लेन द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ एंकर टैग. सो लुक दिस. In this, first you write syntax. This ahref equals to url angle bracket close, text to be linked, and angle bracket start close, then a, then angle bracket close, like this. Here first you explain this href क्योंकि attribute है. क्वेश्चन ने लिखा था explain the attributes of anchor tag. तो first attribute is href. Definition of href is written here. href responsible for creating links. Through this you can reference website or file that would open after clicking on it. ये href हो गया. ठीक है. Then url stand for universal resource locator. It refers to the address of website. This much you have to write only. Only 2 points you have to write. One is href and second one is url. Now long answer type questions are over. Only 2 questions are left. Give reasons. This is your homework. You have to find answer of these 2 questions only. ये गिव रीजन के आंसर आपको खुद फाइंड करने हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाई डू वी यूज फ्लोटिंग फ्रेम्स इन HTML. फ्लोटिंग फ्रेम हमने यहाँ किया था, ठीक है. और व्हाई डू वी यूज नेस्टेड फ्रेम सेट. दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव डन इन हियर. दिस लॉन्ग ऑन द सेकंड. एक्सप्लेन द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ फ्रेम सेट. इसमें नेस्टेड फ्रेम सेट आया था. नेस्टेड फ्रेम सेट मींस मिक्स्ड फ्रेम सेट. So these 2 questions are your homework. Please find the answer of these 2 questions. But the long answer last question is, what does the anchor tag use for? Page number 119. Anchor tags are used to create hyperlink. This much you have to write first part. Then second question after this, explain its attributes. So attributes of anchor tag. Look this anchor tag. Anchor tag ये है. First you write this one, a href equals to url angle bracket close, text to be opened, then angle bracket close, like this. Then explain this href. The definition of href is written here. Full you have to write. And then url. URL is written here. URL stands for universal resource locator. It refers to the address of a website or a file. Clear? This much is for today class.